case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2011 case of Carambat v. Carambat before the Mississippi Supreme Court, the court found itself wrestling with the implications of habitual drug use, specifically marijuana, and its effects on marriage. The dispute arose between James and Stacy Carambat, whose once serene married life had been disrupted by James's escalating marijuana use. James's involvement with the drug had not only isolated him from his family, but also seriously undermined his work productivity, culminating in a costly professional mistake and loss of bonus pay. Consequently, Stacy was granted a divorce by the Chancery Court on the grounds of her husband's excessive and detrimental drug habits. This ruling came with several additional orders, including the granting of full custody of the kids to Stacy, control of the marital home, child support, alimony, a fair share of their assets, and attorney's fees. Unsatisfied with the court's judgment, James sought to challenge the ruling by appealing the decision. His major point of contention pertained to the classification of marijuana as an other-like drug, in reference to a provision of Mississippi law that allows for divorce in relation to habitual and excessive use of drugs like opium or morphine. The court, however, shut down James's appeal, upholding its initial judgment that his marijuana use had indeed been habitual, excessive, and ultimately destructive to his marriage in much the same way as the use of opium or morphine. Following the evaluation of several factoring elements and a detailed assessment of witness credibility, the court declared the association of marijuana with these hard drugs relevant due to its similar adverse effects on family relationships, personal productivity, and financial stability. Thus, the Mississippi Supreme Court affirmed the original ruling, finding no error in the Chancery Court's decision and reinforcing the inclusion of marijuana as an other-like drug under the state law for the purposes of divorce proceedings. James's additional arguments of condonation and recrimination fell on deaf ears, as they were deemed waived and inadmissible, respectively. It's worth noting that while 5 judges concurred with this decision, one dissenting judge, joined by 2 others, expressed opposition in a separate written opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.